Hi everyone, welcome to my presentation for this PYG4R Research Competition 2025. My name is Tommaso del Moro, and in this short video I'm going to present you my research activity carried out within a collaboration between Sapienza University of Rome and the NEA Research Center. My research activity deals with the multiscale thermohydraulic analysis of experimental facilities in support of the lead-cooled fast reactors development. When we talk about safety analysis of a nuclear power plant, we include the thermohydraulics of the reactor. In particular, we would like to know the response of the nuclear system following a certain initiating event. We refer to this study as system scale analysis. However, a more detailed analysis is required for specific components or when complex phenomena occur in certain regions of the reactor. In this case, the analysis is conducted at component scale. These two kinds of analysis are addressed by one-dimensional system thermohydraulic codes and CFD codes respectively. Since lead-cooled fast reactors are characterized by several 3D phenomena, a multiscale approach to their analysis is more appropriate. And in my research activity, I developed a tool capable of coupling the system code RELAP5 and the CFD code ANSYS CFX. Different coupling strategies have been implemented, and we can distinguish them from the temporal and spatial discretization approaches. Regarding the temporal discretization, the semi-implicit scheme has been implemented, but an explicit scheme can be easily adopted if we remove the internal iterations that lead to the recalculation of the same time step. Regarding the spatial discretization approach, either the domain decomposition and overlapping are contained in the tool, and their difference lies mainly in the form of the boundary condition exchange. An example of the application of this multiscale tool is the simulation of a transition from forced to natural circulation in the TOL 3D facility. That is an electrically heated and LBE-cooled experimental facility that aims to study the capability of numerical codes to predict the behavior of the LBE in a wide range of conditions. We can observe oscillations during the transition due to alternating of thermal stratification and mixing inside a pool-type component installed in the facility. We can notice also that modeling the pool with the CFD improves the agreement with experimental data while keep the computational cost as low as possible thanks to the use of system code in the rest of the facility. Another example is the adoption of the coupling tool for the simulation of facilities like Athena that are representative of an LFR configuration. So this validated tool is really promising to be of interest for reactor scale applications. This is all for my presentation, and thank you for listening.